This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, custom-built Gulf access home is conveniently located in the heart of the bustling Bayshore Arts District, perfectly situated for one to enjoy Naples' famous sunset on a nightly basis. With a 10,000-pound boat lift that will accommodate up to a 30-foot vessel residing on a deepwater bay, one will be able to enjoy Southwest Florida's boating lifestyle to the fullest. All this, plus you are just minutes from Naples' prestigious beaches and downtown Fifth Avenue.